If you've ever worked on a literature review, you know how time-consuming it can be. You probably spent countless hours browsing through Google Scholar, quickly scanning research papers, saving useful ones, looking up complex terms, and still taking weeks to piece together clear answers to your research questions. But what if I told you that with modern AI tools, you can finish your entire literature review in just a few days instead of weeks? Hi everyone, I'm Aisha, and welcome to AI Tech Vision. Hi. I will be sharing the top 5 AI tools that can help you complete your literature review faster and more efficiently. After trying out around 15 to 20 different tools currently available, I have personally selected these based on 2 main criteria. They are either completely free or provide powerful features in their free versions. So let's dive in. The first tool on my list is Semantic Scholar. It's a research paper search engine that hosts over 200 million papers, and the best part is it's completely free. You can think of it as an upgraded version of Google Scholar. What makes it stand out is that it highlights high-quality, peer-reviewed journal articles. We bring the most relevant and impactful papers in your field right to the top. So instead of endlessly scrolling through PDFs like you usually do on Google Scholar, this tool helps you focus only on the most relevant and impactful research. These papers are vital for our strategy. They provide the data we need to make informed decisions. One of my favorite features in Semantic Scholar is its advanced filtering options. You can easily set a date range to explore papers from the oldest to the most recent. Filter results to show only studies with free PDFs available, and sort them by citations or influence. This makes sure you're reviewing the most important, professionally and widely recognized research in your field. Another great benefit is that once you create an account, you can neatly organize your research by saving papers into different folders. When you return later, it even suggests related studies based on your interests, making your research process smoother. If you're just beginning your literature review, Semantic Scholar is an excellent place to start. It helps you refine your topic, discover leading researchers in your area, and saves you from spending time on irrelevant or low-quality papers. The next tool on my list is Consensus. It's an AI-powered search engine. Our software scans millions of peer-reviewed studies to give you accurate research-backed answers to your question. Instead of entering broad keywords like we usually do on Google Scholar, you can simply ask questions in a natural way, just like you would on ChatGPT. For example, you can ask a yes or no question like, does intermittent fasting improve cognitive function? Or explore relationships between topics, such as and just like that, you have your results. What makes it powerful is that it delivers answers directly from peer-reviewed research. Not blogs or personal opinions, but real scientific evidence you can trust. When you search on Consensus, the first thing you'll notice is a consensus meter. This shows what the overall research says about your question. Next, you'll get a pro-level analysis, including a clear summary of the topic. Professionally, a breakdown of individual studies that either support or challenge the findings. Highly rigorous journals are highly cited, so you can quickly spot the research that truly matters. This makes it perfect for identifying gaps in your field, answering specific research questions, or finding relevant studies without sifting through dozens of papers yourself. Consensus presents everything in simple, easy-to-understand language. Plus, its Ask This Paper feature lets you interact directly with PDFs, so you can ask things like, what is the goal of this paper? What are the key results of this paper? What methods are used? Now let's move on to the third tool on my list, Research Rabbit. Once you've collected key papers using Semantic Scholar and gained clarity on your topic with Consensus, the next step is to make your literature review more comprehensive. Ensure you're not missing any important studies. That's where Research Rabbit comes in. It's a completely free tool designed for researchers that provides an interactive citation graph. This means it visually shows how different research papers are connected, helping you easily explore related studies, authors, and research trends. All you need to do is upload 2-3 key seed papers, and it will generate a dynamic branching map of related research, almost like a family tree of your topic. One of the best things about it is how interactive and engaging the entire experience is, making deep research much easier and faster. Now moving on to the fourth tool on my list, SciSpace. SciSpace is a powerful all-in-one AI tool that supports both literature reviews and academic writing. While it offers features similar to Consensus, like answering research questions and chatting with PDFs, here's how I personally recommend using it. You can upload all your research papers into its library or import them from your reference manager. So instead of asking questions to a single paper, you can query your entire collection at once. For example, you might ask, what are the applications discussed across these papers? What challenges are mentioned in synthesizing this material? This feature is incredibly useful when you're finalizing your methodology, refining testing approaches, or even drafting your introduction. The best part? This core functionality is completely free to use. The last tool on my list is Perplexity AI. It provides sources for every answer. You can even set it to pull information only from academic papers, ensuring your results are based on credible research rather than random websites. For example, you can ask for research topic ideas or the latest developments in a field, and it'll generate a clear summary along with references you can verify, read further, or cite directly in your work. Here's how you can use it effectively. At the beginning, to get a broad understanding of your topic and discover research ideas. In the middle, to clarify concepts, understand key terms, and refine your methodology. At the end, to trace specific ideas across multiple studies and gather citations. Even the free version of Perplexity includes summaries, citations, and follow-up questions, so you don't necessarily need the paid plan unless you want advanced features. If you follow this exact workflow using all the tools I've shared, you can complete your literature review in just a few days instead of several weeks. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Tech Vision for more powerful AI tools and tips. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to try first, and if you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Aisha, and I'll see you in the next video.